Hi guys, it's the 5th of May now, 2019, and as you can see I've been a little bit busy on the front end of the car. I've decided to move away from the panel work just for a bit of a break. Although I am still working on it, I just want to try something a little bit different just so I can keep my momentum going. And as you can see, I've taken out the front suspension and the brakes, and it would have been a lot quicker if I remembered that the actual left hand side had a left hand thread nut on the hub nut. So yeah, a bit of an embarrassing thing there, but anyway, realised after a while and it come off quite easily after that. But the components are looking pretty good. I'll show you those in a sec. And I'm going to move on to the rear within the next week or two, just pull those out and do the same thing. But nice long shadow there. What I have done, as you can see, I bought myself a hydraulic press. It needs a couple of little repairs done to it, but it's a big 20-ton one, so certainly a lot more than I'm ever going to need for my car, that's for certain. Over here on the bench or on the stands is just the right hand side rear guard. I'm just putting high build primer on that at the moment. It's coming up alright, looks fairly straight, so yeah, fairly happy with that. In here, that's the right hand side front end, so looks a bit dirty and messy there, but that will be cleaned up later. This front springs, as you can see, they're nice equal height, or very, very close to it, so I won't need to worry about those. I'll just take those into town tomorrow and have them powder coated in a semi-gloss black. The front shock absorbers, there's one there and the other one over there. They're in really good condition. They're very hard to move, as in the arms, which is great. So it's obviously got some, had some work done on it. One thing I will do, as you can see, the actual rubbers themselves have all perished, so will replace those, but everything else I'll just clean up, paint up and put back on the car. The actual wishbone is looking pretty good. I haven't measured it yet, but it doesn't appear to be any wear issues there. Brake hose, look, it looks good and it most likely will be fine, but I'm going to replace it. They're at least 20 years old. I don't know the condition of them, so I'll play it safe, and I'll just replace the whole lot, the whole brake system. So I'll re-kit the master cylinder, put all new brake lines in, flexible and solid ones or metal ones, whatever you want to call them, and just play it safe. So there's the backing plate for the brake drum. That just needs a clean up. Suspension arms, they're good, they're not flogged out or anything. Spring pan looks good. Radiator mount, it's fine. Steering rack, I haven't really looked at that as yet. I know I'm going to have to replace at least the grease rubbers at the end. I haven't actually even played with them, so I'm not sure if I've got to replace the whole ball joint or not yet. Now up to my very, very messy workbench here at the moment. I'm just got some bit of paint going on here at the moment. The master cylinder, I've pulled the internals out there, gave a good clean up. I'm not sure how what sort of finish I'll leave on it, whether I can paint it and just use some synthetic brake fluid on there, inside it, so it doesn't strip the paint or what. I'm not 100% sure yet, so I'll have to work on that one. Kingpin, once I get the press up and running, I want to take off the hub or the spindle and just make sure that the actual kingpin's nice and straight. It's a bit hard to tell when it's still got the spindle on, but the knuckles, top and bottom, they're looking good. The clearance rods, or whatever you want to call them, they're all great. The brake drum's pretty good. It's got a bit of surface rust in there. I'll just clean that up. I won't need a skim or anything like that. It'll be fine. Bearings, they've all been replaced prior to me, so there's nothing there I need to do other than just clean things up. I haven't actually looked at the brake cylinders as yet. They're still in the bag, so I'll check those out in the next couple of days and just see what I need to replace in that. I think once again it's just a matter of even if they still look all right, I still will replace them. It's just, I think, just play it safe. Better safe than sorry. You certainly don't want to be driving down the road and then discover you got no brakes. So anyway, there of course is the engine and body top in the background under the sheet. Now I'm starting to get quite a collection in here. I'll be working on the other rear guard next, and then my nemesis. So a bit of a tongue twister for me. The front guards. I've been putting them off as long as I can, but I'm getting to a stage now, well, there's not much left for me to actually do, so I've got to move on to them. But as you can see, all the panels are hanging up. Looks a bit like a butcher's shop in here with all the meat hanging from the roof. Even the spare wheel carrier there as well. So as you can see, it's a fair bit of progress has happened so far, but there's still a lot more to go. So anyway, guys, that's all for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, it's me again. Looking a little bit second-hand at the moment, but that's fine. I'm getting very, very close to 100 subscribers at the moment on YouTube, and I'm thinking, once I do reach the 100, what I might do, instead of showing you the work that I've done, is actually show you me actually doing the work. So whether it might be rubbing the panels down ready for paint, or stripping the brakes, or rebuilding, or painting the chassis, or whatever it might be. I might start doing those videos as well, just for, believe me, I'm not a mechanic. I don't know anything about painting a car. I'm self-taught. I'm just learning as I go. So don't be too critical of me. I don't know a great deal, but I'm learning a hell of a lot on YouTube, and I've got a lot of manuals and books and so forth I've been reading through and going and learning as I go. So once I've reached 100 subscribers, I'm only 3 away. So once that happens, then most likely be my next video, I'll be actually doing work on camera. So look, I can guarantee I won't be doing everything the right way, but that's how we all learn. We all learn from mistakes, so sometimes there'll be things that actually be done twice. And look, if that's the case, that's how I learn. And sometimes that might actually help, a couple of guys out there in the world, and they say, well, hang on, don't do it that way, or I never thought of doing it that way. So yeah, so most likely be my next video in the next couple of weeks, with me possibly pulling the brakes apart for the right hand side. Okay, talk soon. Bye.